What's up guys, Matt here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you this 48 pack of these nitro dipped gloves. And full disclosure, I did receive these to do this video, but it's not going to be affecting anything I say. Let's dive right into it. So this specific pack I got came with 4 12 packs. This specific pack I got has white and blue gloves for 2 of the packs, as you see, and then green and black gloves for the other 2. Here's what they look like, and it's just a one size fits all size. I'm slightly larger than average size hands, and you can see kind of how they fit me here. There's still room if they did need to be bigger. They're plenty stretchy in case you did have bigger hands. Here's a closer look at the nitrile dipped part, and notice the whole front surface here is dipped, and then on the back just a little bit, but all the fingertips are fully covered. These aren't waterproof, but they're a little bit resistant with the nitriles, and you can see the top is more so fabric here. And then the size of these, it's technically, let's see, 9.1 inches long or 23 centimeters, just so you can kind of gauge. And here are the white gloves dipped in blue nitrile. They kind of actually have a purple part by the wrist, and they're a little sticky as you first open them. Here's what these look like on. And then they do all have this logo, as you see. So now you know exactly what to expect with these nitrile gloves. Hopefully this helps. I'll catch you on the next one.